Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about what to carry in your UPSC preliminary examination. That is very much important for you. UPSC is a test of consistency and composure, not just a knowledge. So stay balanced and your preparation will reflect in your performance. So you have to carry everything perfectly. It will definitely reduce your stress and also it will reduce your tension. So first of all, you have to carry on your admit card, that is download from the UPSC official website. Take 2 to 3 printouts, preferably in color, and also you have to check all the details, whether name, roll number, exam center, address. You have to note down all the things. You once you already you got the admit card, once you visit 1 week before the examination center and you can know about the transportation, everything, then it will be definitely give you the more confidence during the examination. So don't go same day on the exam center. For before 1 week you have to search and you have to know where the exam center, how to go, everything you should know. So and also you have to carry your admit card, that is definitely important for you, and also you have to keep your valid photo ID proof, that is very much important because it will be reflect same as your photocopy. The accepted ID cards are, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, passport, driving license. You have to carry any one of these things. Definitely it will be asked by your examiner. So you have to carry that admit card, valid ID proof, and also carry two recent passport size photo, which is same as the you uploaded in the form. So maybe it needed for the attendance sheet or emergencies. If you carry your photographs, it will be very much useful for you. Definitely you should carry the black ballpoint pen, that is very much important. Only black ballpoint pen is allowed for filling the OMR sheets. You should carry 2 or 3 extra pens, because if the pen is any malfunction, then it will be useful for you. So you should carry 2 to 3 pens for your examination, and also you should carry your water bottle, which is very much transparent. Only transparent water bottles are allowed in the examination center, so there is no labels or prints is on the water bottle. So you should carry the transparent water bottle, and you should carry water bottle is it's definitely help you for to stay hydrated and also without frequent trips. So definitely you should carry your water bottle with you, and also you should use analog watch, that is very much important. There is no smart watches avoid in the examination all. You need to know the timing. There is a bell available, but you should have your own analog watch. It will definitely give you the time constraint, and also it will help you to time management. So you have to definitely wear the analog watch, that is very much important. If you want, you should use the sanitizer, that is also very much important. And also there is a optional thing is small snacks, that you carry small snacks, that will be definitely help you before the exam and also the in between the two GS and CSAT paper. So avoid bags and digital items, rough papers. These are the things is not allowed in the examination. So don't carry these kind of stuffs that definitely make you to strain. So don't carry any cell phones, because you need to keep on the cell phone in a locker. It will give you the stress. So don't do that. So you should avoid these things, and you can use folders like a zip pouch, and that is will be definitely useful for your carrying the pens. So you have the transparent unfolder or zip pouch, you should carry. And if you want any documents, that is also use a transparent covers. You should use a transparent folder or zip pouch. So these are the things definitely you should carry on your examination. Thank you so much.